Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸𝐬𝐬 with another quick tip to know whether how you can delete multiple posts at once from your Blogger site. So to delete multiple posts, go to your Blogger site, and here you can see that you cannot select multiple posts at once. Whereas when you scroll down to find and delete one, it takes time to load all the posts again, which takes a lot of time to find and delete another one. So to delete multiple posts at once, click on Manage. Now you can either scroll down to find and select the posts you want to delete, or you can click on this drop down and select the type of posts you want to delete. Since I want to delete all the posts available in the draft section, I'm selecting draft. Now here you can find and delete the ones you want individually or by selecting many. Since I want to delete them all, I'm selecting all. Then click on delete. And then click on discard posts. Well, instead of deleting the posts right away, it will send them to trash folder. So go to trash folder under this drop down. And here are all the posts you have just deleted. Well, if you want, you can revert them to draft again. Or you can find and delete the ones you want individually. Since I want to delete them all, I'm selecting all and then click on delete and then delete posts. It will now delete all the selected posts from your Blogger site. And this is how you can delete multiple posts from your Blogger site. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.